Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will be making some Twix Krispies. Okay, but before I get to it, do please remember to drop a like and maybe comment and do subscribe, and because all that helps with the algorithm. Okay, and do remember I'm also on TikTok as well. Okay, right, let's get this show on the road. Okay, do please bear with me because this is totally experimental. I've not attempted this before. This is my first time, and okay, I'm not sure whether you guys have heard of such a thing, but it's experimental, and if things go wrong, you know why now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is some Twixes. These are party-sized fingers. I am going to, for the time being, just cut 8 of them in half. Okay, like this, and also cut them into small pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna put some butter in to the pan, and turn the hob on and liquidate it. Okay, so going to mix it in the butter. Okay, so I'm going to help the butter along a little bit, get all melted like so. The butter should be melted like so, no lumps in it or anything like that. Okay, so use the fingers. I'm gonna put the chopped up Twixes in. Do remember, guys, that this is highly experimental at the minute. So bear with me if anything goes wrong. Okay, now I've taken it off the heat. Okay, right, so I'm going to mix the last Krispies in. Okay, right. Okay, so I'm going to put some butter in a deep pan, and I'm going to liquidate it over the hob. Okay. thought you might want to yeah, melting it so that until it's all turned into a liquid consistency. And I'm taking it with me. As you can see, it's now a liquid consistency now. Okay, so now I'm going to pour some Milky Bar buttons and the marshmallows into the whole packet of marshmallows into the pan. They only get out there. Okay, we'll stir that in evenly. Now, stir it real hard so that the bottom of the pan does not burn. Okay, so now I'm going to, oh bloody hell. Put some I'm going to put it into a tray, into a plate covered in non-stick paper. Okay, and spread it evenly. Okay, so I've spreaded it into a plate covered with non-stick paper best I could. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm now going to break up some dairy milk chocolate into a bowl. Breaking up some dairy milk chocolate now into a bowl. Okay, so I've boiled up some water in the kettle, and I'm going to make sure it is bubbling now. Okay, and so chocolates I've broken up. Okay, this technique I learned in school. It's much better than melting a chocolate in the microwave. Okay, so as you can see, the chocolate's melting pretty quickly. Okay, so as you can see, the chocolate's now totally melted. No lumps or anything in it, and it's a better way than putting it in the microwave to melt as well. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's take that off a boil now. And turn the hob off, and the chocolate's now the crispy treats are now set, and I'm now going to pour it into the middle of the melted chocolate. Okay. Right, okay, so spreading it evenly with the back of a spoon or whatever. Well, as evenly as I can anyway. Okay, so right, I'll open some more packets of party packed Twix, and this is for decorative purposes, but remember, this is purely experimental. Okay. Okay, so I think it's coming along very nicely, and now I'm going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, so take a look at that. Okay. Right, now I'm going to cut it all into squares. Cut it up. Okay. There we go. Something did have to go wrong. Well, they're not quite crispy squares, but never mind. Okay. Okay, so there you have it, your Twix Krispie squares. Okay, so that brings an end to this video. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and again, please do remember to like, and if you've not already, subscribe to this channel, and if you're watching this from TikTok, please do give me a follow, and also leave a comment on wherever it is you're watching, and please remember, if you want to learn to cook, and whether or not you've got autism, do remember, I have your back.